Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix 500 internal server error in our WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see internal server error. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Now you see the server encountered an internal error or misconfiguration and was unable to complete your request. Now refresh the page again. Again you see error, so we are going to fix it. So first you can refresh the page. After some time it will work. Sometimes server was down, so it will fix auto. Another way is to remove your browser cache and after that your issue will be fixed. So this is two basic method. Remove browser cache or refresh the page again and issue will be fixed. And your issue is not fixed after done these two basic steps, then you can increase your memory limit in wp-config.php file. So this is our code. We added define wp memory limit to 56 MB. I set post max size. So you can add these three lines in your wp-config.php file and then click on save. So after that your issue will be fixed. You can find these lines in video description or in comment section. After adding this code in wp-config.php file, if your issue is not fixed, then you can delete your .htaccess file. Now you see, and then you can refresh the page, and if your issue is fixed, then you can go to setting permalink and then click on save button to generate .htaccess file auto again. I done all steps but our issue is not fixed. I added this code in wp-config.php file but our issue is not fixed. Now back to website again. Now go to hosting. So we are in wp content folder. Now you see plugins, theme. So first we are going to rename plugin folder to check. Now click on it and then click on rename. So add one and then click on OK. So we are going to rename plugin folder. Now you see plugin folder name change in wp content folder plugins 1. Now go to website again and refresh the page. Now you see still error 500 internal server error, back to folder hosting. So we are going to rename again plugin. Now click on it and then click on rename. Now remove one and then click on OK again. Now you see plugin name change back to original name but our issue is not fixed, and then we are going to rename theme folder. So this is our theme folder. So we are going to change name for this folder. So click on it and then click on rename again. Now add themes 1. So change name and then click on OK. Now you see theme folder name change. Now theme 1. Now go to website again and refresh the page. Now you see the theme directory Eventum does not exist, error. So our issue is fixed. Basically 500 internal server error show because of theme issue. Some theme conflict with our configuration or WordPress. There are multiple reasons. Sometimes theme is old, not updated. Now you see the theme directory Eventum does not exist. Now we are going to login. So we are in login page. Now add username and password. Now you see our website is working again and we are in dashboard. So we rename theme folder to theme 1. So our issue is with theme. On left side you see appearance. So click on it. So we are in theme section and then you see the theme directory Eventum does not exist. So you can update your theme or you can add another theme. So it's up to you. Now back to hosting again and rename it again. Rename. Now remove one and then click on OK again. So you can rename the theme folder or you can add or update theme. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.